Today we're diving into the incredible yet alarming tale of Xbox Underground, a hacker group that breached Microsoft's secure network. They stole unreleased Xbox One development kits and even accessed US military software. Between 2011 and 2013, Xbox Underground infiltrated Microsoft's computer network, raising questions about who these shadowy figures might be. They didn't stop at Microsoft. The group spent hundreds of hours copying login credentials, source code, and other proprietary data. Their unquenchable curiosity even led them to pilfer development kits for the yet-to-be-released Xbox One. Their activities weren't confined to one company. They also breached Zombie Studios and acquired simulator software for the United States military's Apache helicopters. David Pecora, a key member, boastfully admitted to his hacking exploits in court, claiming, "I have access to every big company you could name." Making history, Pecora became the first foreign hacker to be tried in the United States, signifying a watershed moment in cybercrime prosecution. 3 other members also pleaded guilty, bringing this band of digital outlaws closer to justice. Adding a twist to this saga, one member even aided the FBI in their investigation. This case serves as a cautionary tale, highlighting the vulnerabilities that exist in even the most seemingly secure networks and the far-reaching implications of global cybercrime.